Good morning. So, CandyA's and Asshorn show resumes again, and CandyA's and I are downtown and we're fitting on some new safeties underneath the car that I guess they were doing the safety test and the old ones didn't work. And anyways, we've been left with the task of throwing some new ones on, which it's quite a big job. You know, it's pretty critical and stuff. So CandyA's has gone out to the truck to go get some ear plugs because we got to drill in some anchors into the concrete. We got to shift the car around, get everything centered up before we drill these things on. And yeah, so we'll be sort of doing. This will be today's episode, safeties. We'll be here for a couple of days. Good times. These are safeties. Grab the rails. Probably hard to see in there. There's a couple of jaws in there. Grab the rails. There's safety. Sitting up on top of a rail bug. Because these things are quite heavy to hold. Anyways. Can't see much there in the dark. Not too bad. Alright, over and out. Yeah, I got it.
Hello?
Oh, jeez. Ku Klux Klan. Great. That's terrific. We're probably not allowed to film in here.
Show must go on.
You want to try it on? Okay, we're ready to get back to work here. Over and out. Fun day at the supplier. These kind of things we do for fun.
Meredith, we use the same PO number?
You betcha.